Explosive new evidence that attorneys for Bryan Kohberger, the suspect in the Idaho murders, have presented, as well as new DNA evidence, give hope that will lead to his release. Kohberger's defense team claims that blood from an unidentified man was found on a handrail inside the victim's home, and that another individual's DNA was discovered on a glove outside the property. These revelations may offer a preview of Kohberger's defense strategy as he prepares for his trial in August, where he faces the possibility of the death penalty. Latah County Prosecutor Bill Thompson had previously acknowledged DNA samples from unknown men found at the crime scene, but explained they were never uploaded to the FBI's database because they were deemed not eligible. Though these samples were mentioned in court filings last year, it wasn't revealed until now that at least 2 of the samples were from blood. Kohberger's attorney, Ann Taylor, criticized law enforcement during a recent hearing, accusing them of withholding the blood evidence when they obtained the search warrant for his arrest in December 2022. The prosecutors did not dispute her claim. Taylor argued that this omission should invalidate some of the evidence collected during the search, but the judge ruled that there was still probable cause due to Kohberger's DNA being found on a knife sheath at the crime scene. Taylor's defense strategy includes challenging the evidence in a Franks hearing, a legal proceeding aimed at discrediting evidence found during a search. The judge has yet to rule on whether to allow the hearing, and prosecutors oppose it, citing key evidence linking Kohberger to the murders, such as the knife sheath found in the victim's home. Kohberger's trial, originally scheduled for October 2023, has been delayed multiple times due to defense motions, angering the victims' families. His legal team has also postponed revealing his alibi until May 2024, with Kohberger claiming he was driving alone on the night of the murders to look at the moon and stars. His defense plans to call an expert to support his claim that he was miles away from the crime scene, a point of contention between the prosecution and defense. Kohberger, who has maintained his innocence since his arrest following a month-long search, faces continued media attention, with many social media users delving into his personal history. Meanwhile, the victims' families have expressed frustration with the slow pace of the legal process. Kaylee Goncalves' mother, Creasy, described the situation as gut-wrenching and questioned why the process was so drawn out. The case has been further complicated by the demolition of the off-campus house where the murders occurred, despite opposition from the victims' families who feared the destruction of crucial evidence. Kohberger's defense has also sought to dismiss the case, claiming misconduct by the prosecution and invalid evidence. That motion was denied. In addition, it was revealed in December 2023 that Kohberger had been previously investigated for a 2021 home invasion near the murder site but was never charged.